Hey guys, today I'm gonna play some PhD until I lose. But I can't speak, so that makes the actual content instead of slow, you know? Because we all love speed. I don't know. What the fuck is going on? Okay. Alright. Yeah, no, that's pretty rude. Yeah. Kind of stabbing some guy. Why he really eats. It's kind of French thing to do. And we all do not like it. Oh my god! I am just getting third party today. Alright. So my entire day is like this. Alright, didn't see. Ah! Poor guy, see even bridge. Oh, that was also very rude. I don't know. Everyone's just being rude today, or I'm just sensitive. Yeah. There we go, guys. First try speaking. Shit, there's some momentum there. Anyways, come here. Ah. I gotta crank high because this is Fortnite. Hi. What's happening here? Actually, yeah, could you please get out? And there's a lot of people here actually, so let's just leave. It's also very rude, but yeah, it's kind of does nothing. I don't know, like. Oh my god, fucking mobile players. Could you please give me the kill? Oh, nice. I don't like that there's so many people. Actually, let me turn this fucking music down. Hi. Yeah, no, that's not impressive at all in the slightest actually. So like, you just... Hi. I think I'm still up in that by a lot. But I'm bad at the video game, so that doesn't matter actually. So good. Like always, I am just the greatest. I feel like some people aren't gonna get that it's sarcasm and think I just have a huge ego. I'm fucking ass at this video game nowadays, I'm just gonna clarify that. I can speed pretty well, but nothing more. And it's not like this my speed heavy grind. Alright, Chicken Hunter. That was a bad play, Chicken Hunter. Okay. Hi. A-Pop is on mobile, so I'm not gonna worry too much about her. Yeah. I should though. She's a good mobile gamer. Can I say that? She's good for mobile, from what I've seen. I don't know how good she actually is. I only fought her like twice in that fight, where I both just won pretty easily. But yeah. Okay, that was kind of rude. I should have let him eat the gapple. We want to have more rolls here. I say why I'll drag maybe 20 CBS or some shit. Let me clean up here. Nah. Actually, we should put it in now. Because why not? This is self-defense, by the way. Put the gun down. I think it's not ever since the fucking CBS curve. Bye. This is truly a game of all time. Aww. It's kinda rude of you. I love cranking lights, it's so funny. And so annoying. Actually, bye. Cry about it. Cry about it while you keep stabbing me in the back and shit. I'm sorry, but if you're not gonna have a fair fight... Okay, his ego's really hurt. I feel like his ego's really hurt. Oh my god, yeah. I'm gonna run this because why should I fight this realistically? And it's also funny to rage quit him. And again, I can just... You fucking... Sure, bro. Sure. I'm not getting mad at him like fucking insulting me, but I'm getting mad at how stupid and hypocritical he is. He's already targeting me. So like, sure. Oh. Actually, I'm gonna play the event. Why not? Oh yeah. I don't think Robbie is a cheater. He has a player style. I'm gonna say that. Ooh, 2 people in the lobby. By the way, I'm sorry if you call someone bad and all you do is backstab them and lose the only 2 fair 1v1s. In the fucking that you have, then like I don't know, might be a you issue. Might be a you issue. Actual real advice. And yeah. This is a freebie too, alright. I'm gonna kill this guy first. Ah, it's Apa. Hi Apa. That was not good, Apa. Thank Apa for that, bro. Thank Apa for that. I don't know what your plan is here. Let's do a box. Oh, cold villain. I think he's decent. Poor guy. Okay, actually, I'm gonna have to lock him because he is decent at the game, like I said. Ooh. He is so mad. Okay, I kinda need to pay attention. But how is one so affected by fucking a bridger beating you and a blocking? I don't know. Okay, I'm playing like ass cheeks, right? Yeah, wow, I'm fucking ass. I'm not gonna lie, I do not deserve this one at all. If I do win. Right. Oh my god, my styling is so ass. Be kind to me, this is the first game of boxing today. But it's kind of funny that I get to see this guy rage. What do I play now? Sky was FFA, why not? I'm kind of bad at it, like really bad. But still. I believe Chicken Hunter is also here. Like, would make sense in the context. Such an intense match. Oh, I'm up. Oh my god! The fuck is... I'm sorry, if you're third party and Sky Wars, you're fucking loser. He's also so fucking garbage. You should have comboed me right there, I'm not gonna lie. I had a lot of openings right there. Mainly my aim. Oh, is this the guy? Yep. Nope, I'm killing this bitch. Such intense gameplay, bro. I fucking hate it. I'm sorry, but how do people enjoy this? Need to get a bullet there. It's pretty low. Didn't want the red zone. Yep. Please just leave me alone while I fight. It's kinda rude to interrupt in Sky Wars. Like, I get it in build FFA, it's game mode. But like fucking Sky Wars, it's not fun. Anyways, no one's fucking playing the game like always. Boxing, cold villain again. Yeah, like the speed heady thing really fell off. So like, you might get clips, but I don't know. Oh my god, I am so fucking garbage today. Like, what is that aim? Yeah, I not styling at all, which is kind of annoying. Oh my god, my aim. I think I was actually my quick time. Whatever. GG's. Someone playing something else? Mid-fight, I'm pretty good at mid-fight. Twice my... No, I do not. He's not playing mid-fight anymore, which is annoying. Actually, is someone on build? Yeah. Would be kind of nice to check this, who is in build. Yeah. I actually don't want to build check now, but it's just gonna snipe me the whole game. Like, I know I could easily beat him, but it's still not gonna be fun. By the way, it's perfectly fine to run in like actual FFA modes. Like there's like not really FFA modes, which are like shit like here Sky Wars or Sumo. You shouldn't run there, but like and shit like this you can run. It's like game sense at that point, because you really shouldn't be like staying in fights if it's like 3 people hitting you, or like if you're getting third party. It's just bad game sense at that point. Yeah, anyways. Hey, it got me a bit closer. Fuck. Hi. Oi, oi. He's cooking. It's bridging now. Is bridging gonna do bridging? He's gonna do kinda bad bridging actually. Mine isn't really good either, but like I'm just a speed heavy guy, okay? I am just a speed heavy guy. Nothing more, nothing less. Wait, that was actually kinda nice. I'm gonna clip that shit for real. I've been recording for 20 minutes and haven't died once. That is... Yeah, I'm gonna... Okay, he just left. Oh, that is some shit. Oh, that's a cobweb. Yep. That's an effective cobweb. Wait. And the mouse dead. Wow. Is bridging still bridging? If bridging bridges, why do bridges bridge? I don't know. Let's fish, frische. Fische, frische. Yeah, no, I'm not talented enough to say shit like that. Fischers frisch is something good. I'm gonna give it time to gap. Yeah. Oh my god. Anyways, about the third party. Please die, thank you. I'm gonna get a 20 and get out of this game while it's kinda dead. There are some players here. Dude, I remember when I got like a 71 or something. That was crazy. And I was really bad back then too. Hi, what are you doing? That was nice. I didn't have to chase it. Boxing Tony could actually kill me. I've been recording for a while. I feel like I could do this for the. I'm not gonna win this anyways. And like, yeah. I don't want to record anyways. Yeah, you guys. Pretty decent players. Pretty decent all good players on this lobby. So like. Editing this is gonna be really fun, you know. 200 ping, bro. 200 ping. I fought him before, he's not good. So like, but I'm also not good. I should have jumped his head there. This fucker's like thing on his back is throwing me off. It's like moving so much. Yeah, if he kinda hard to combo hyping players because I'm like really bad at styling right now. Dude, styling. I'm not styling as much anymore as I used to. I like play like 4 or 5 boxing games per day, and most of them are against like players that run or some shit. So like I have like 3 chances to style, so I just kind of get worse and worse. By the way, if you're thinking about the music, don't think about it, it's just random fucking shit, dude. It's just YouTube autoscroll. I don't even know who these people are at this point. I'm really sorry if I personally know you, but like, I don't remember. Oh yeah, yeah. It seems to be an alt. How did he leave spectating twice? Oh yeah. Me and this guy have some beef, so like, let's see. I think this is him, but I'm not sure if this is him. Shit, I should have gotten an extra hit there. Or more like I should have gotten the hit back. Okay, I'm bad. just not taking any KV. But like, not in a cheating way, just like... He's a pretty decent jump reset. Or just we're in positions where I can't really win. Oh my god, I'm bad. Okay. Okay, so GG, yeah, my auto GG is working. If I win this tourney, I'm still gonna go off. Oh my fucking god, this guy keeps accusating me and runs out of every single combo he's in because he believes he's the best. I've already made like 2 videos, not 2, but like a video about him. So like... Let's see if he runs here. No, he doesn't. Alright, then I won't run either. Ah, never mind. Get good, little bro. Get good. Wow. Wow. Oh my fucking god, dude. Yeah, I'm sorry, but how do you physically manage to run 3 times, get a free combo, and still lose like to like 20 hits? I do not get it. Please, by the way, please kill me. I hope this is someone good. Cold blood. Kite blood. I do not know who this guy is, I'm not gonna lie, but he seems to be good. Yeah. No chance, I fear. Yeah. He's just, I'm just doing like that, distancing right now, he's just abusing that. Yeah. Okay, and my tricks also don't work, so like... I'm cool. But yeah, this is a pretty decent end. Actually fighting someone good. GG's. Took me like... how long to lose? Half an hour, around half an hour. Hope you all enjoyed this video, and see ya.